welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We first of all have the High Priestess, followed by the Five of Pentacles with the clarifier, the Eight of Pentacles. And then we have the Hanged Man. And then a phrase that I tuned in to download for you is focus on you. Let's see where we go with this. Okay, so the High Priestess. No, I don't want to go there. I want to go here, right in the middle. The Five of Pentacles. This is, and I think this is where the focus on you comes along quite strongly. So the Five of Pentacles is an energy that comes along when we could be in victim martyr, mode. But what's happened is we've started to take all of our focus and attention out of ourselves and onto other people. So we can be obsessed, we can be, we're just really focusing on what other people are doing. And the energy is, they're okay, but I'm not okay. They've got this, I haven't got this. They've got that money, I haven't. They've got that job, I haven't got that job. It's all right for them, it's not all right for me. They had the right education, I didn't. You get the idea. Because when you look at the picture there, these two people are out in the cold, they're out in the snow. And in this building, you've got the lights are on. It's almost like everyone's in this building having fun, being warm, clothed, fed and everything. And these two people are outside feeling sorry for themselves and, oh, it's all right for them, it's not all right for us. Now, the interesting thing is this can come along very, very easily when we are too hooked into social media, when we're watching the news, when we're reading newspapers, or even if we're doing research, like say, for example, you're setting up your own business, but you're researching similar businesses in that particular area. If you spend too much time looking at other people, it can trigger all of the things inside of you that say, oh my gosh, how am I ever going to do it? I'm not good enough. It took them 5 years. How will I, all of that stuff. So it's a very easy thing to be triggered at the moment with our world as it is, with the 24/7 news constantly going, with social media, everyone looking outward at what other people are doing, the different countries, the different worlds, and not focusing on yourself. So this is such a big thing this week. This isn't about other people, other countries, other towns, other whatever it is, other businesses, other songwriters, other authors. This is about you, okay? This is about you. So this week is all about bringing your focus and attention away from other people and back to you, what you can control, who you are, what your mission is, how you're gonna share that with the world. And this is where the Eight of Pentacles comes in as a clarifier for this. What are you gonna do? What do you have to offer the world and share with the world? What talents do you have? What gifts do you have? What are you going to do? What can you control, rather than putting your focus and effort and energy all onto the things that you can't control? So this is where the Eight really does come in, because this is a card of being independent. And you can see in the picture there, this person isn't bothered about anything else. They've got their head down. They're working on themselves, on whatever it is, their job, their business, their projects, their home, their family, their relationships. They're not worried about what other people are doing. Excuse me. So that's really, really important for this week, I think. This is being independent. The other thing with the focus on you is that we can get so wrapped up in doing things for other people and trying to fix them and do things for them and help them out. And this is all about, no, you're spreading yourself too thin. You need to come back to you and focus on your stuff. And this is where really these two energies come in as well, that they surround this Five of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles clarifier. The High Priestess says, look, don't worry about that, come back to you. So do whatever you need to do this week, whether it's meditation, walking, yoga, breathing, singing, cooking, whatever your thing is that brings your focus back to you and your life, what's important to you, your values, your priorities, and not get caught up in other people. So this is coming back to you, coming back to your heart and soul, coming back to your higher self and, you know, the collective or one consciousness. Yeah, so that will be really important. That's how you get yourself back on track. And I feel that you know, for many of you, you're going to absolutely do that because this Hanged Man energy can be about a different perspective, a different understanding, the light bulb going on, you know, because the idea is that the person, excuse me, they do, as you know, they do get waves of energy and it starts to come up and it comes up through my throat, so I do feel it a lot in my throat. The Hanged Man, the man stands normally upright and can see the world and their life in a certain way, but upside down they get a different angle, different view, a different perspective, and then suddenly they see things, you know, in an unusual way or a different way, unique way, and they get a different knowing, different understanding. So for some of you, that's what's going on here. And I think it's all to do with you've probably been spending too much time, your focus outwardly, and your energy outwardly on other people and other things. And now the message very strongly this week is enough now. Bring it all back to you, your values, your priorities, your goals and dreams. So I hope it's a really good week and thank you so much for watching.